All right, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 4337 St. Leo. They had a guy out here, he was cabling it. Could only get so far. There was a buried trap out here. So I came out here, I located, and we exposed the trap out here. I'm here at the trap now. We're going to go ahead and inspect this line. I did auger it and get it open. I ran a big 4-inch cutter. And we're going to put our camera in there and see what we got. We'll be right back. All right, so we got our camera ran in here. I got some water running. We're up in the house here at the bottom of the stack. On the 4-inch stack there. So we'll pull it back. You see we're in the 4-inch cast iron here. We do have some water running. So here we are at the transition. This is where it comes to 4-inch cast and a 6-inch clay pipe. It appears to be in pretty decent shape. Just pull them back to show you this line. Here we are at the trap. So everything towards the house looks really good. We're going to go ahead and run it out towards the main. We'll be right back. Alright, so yep, we ran inside. Now we're out here at the main. At MSD's line here, about 48 feet. Pull back to show you what this line looks like. We have a little turn there and it's diving down and turning into MSD's line. Alright, so yep, here we are at the trap. Everything in the line looks nice and straight, no breaks, no cracks, no roots, everything's nice and clean in there. Actually pretty best looking line I've seen all week, so everything should be good. They're open and they're flowing. Shouldn't have any problems for some more years. Alright, thank you.